Hey everyone, this is my first video blog for the Max's Muscle Up Challenge. It's Sunday the 10th of August and I'm down here at Coomera Lake participating in a fundraiser which is dragon boat racing. Here it is here. Yeah, so heaps of fun down here. As you can see, it's a bit of an event. We've got kids down here playing. Got a set up tent down here, jumping castle, and all those kinds of things. Yeah, it's been a fun day. You can see it's pretty cool. We've had 2 races so far, which has been heaps of fun.
So we've got 4 votes for this race.
The other guys are.
We've been monitoring these teams today and we've got some
My
good
team.
matchups in this one here, so it's going to be a really good one. I hope you're showing your support here.
So we're about to jump on board now. The other competitors. This is my partner in crime, Mr. Simon Muscle Up Champ.
That's the engineer right there.